Comparing rational and irrational numbers. The first two numbers we're going to look at is the square root of 36, and we want to compare it to the cubed root of 36. The square root of 36 is 6, and the cubed root of 36 is approximately 3.3. I've placed these numbers on the number line so it's easier to see which one is greater and which one is less. As numbers go left, they get smaller or get less than the other. As numbers go to the right, they get greater than any number to the left of it. So as you see here, the cubed root of 36 is less than the square root of 36. We can also see that here, 6 is greater than 3.3. So we will use the greater than symbol. Next, let's compare the square root of 89 and the decimal 9.89. The square root of 89 is approximately 9.4 or 9.43. These two numbers are very close to each other on the number line. However, you can see the square root of 89 is a little bit to the left, making the square root of 89 less than the decimal 9.89. So to compare these two numbers, we use the less than symbol. All right, let's compare 9 halves and the square root of 23. 9 halves as a decimal is 4.5 or 4.5. The square root of 23 is approximately 4.8. These are also very close to each other on the number line. 4.5 comes right in the middle of 4 and 5. 4.8, which is approximately the square root of 23, is closer to 5 on the number line. Therefore, 4.5, or the 9 halves, is less than the square root of 23. So we will use the less than symbol. This one is probably the trickiest one. We need to compare pi plus 3 and 2 pi. We're going to use the approximation 3.14 for pi. Then we will add 3. So approximately, this is going to be close to 6.14. On this side, we have 2 pi. Whenever a number is right next to pi, it means to multiply. So we need to multiply 2 times pi. We're going to use the approximation of 3.14 for pi. And then we will multiply it by 2. We get approximately 6.28. These two are extremely close together on a number line, but pi plus 3 is just a little bit more left, which makes it smaller. Pi plus 3 is less than 2 pi.